Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an opening intro video in CapCut. So maybe if you guys watch YouTube, there are some channel that is provide intro or opening video in their video. So I'm gonna show you how to make that on CapCut. So first click on new project, and here click on stock videos, and I'm going to just choose a blank black background. You can choose white or other color, but I'm going to just choose black and click on add. Okay, so here is the black. You can adjust. I'm going to set it for 5 seconds like this, and now you can just click on text and click on add text and type in the text. For example, welcome to my channel, like this. And now you can choose the styles. I'm going to set it as in 5 seconds as the blank the black background, and I'm going to choose the style. Okay, you can choose the like this. Okay, I'm going to just choose this one, and the style I'm going to change it. Okay, I like this one, and you can add some effects into it like this. Okay, and I'm going to, you can also add some bubble effects like this, and last I'm going to add some animations. Okay, you can just choose the one that you like. Okay, I like the previous. Okay, you can also adjust. I'm going to set it for 5 seconds. Yeah, I like this one, and click on check. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, so I think the the intro video has been created, and I hope this video is helpful to you. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.